A credit score is a three-digit number based upon a number of factors from your financial activities. It is used to determine your creditworthiness for a mortgage, auto loan, or credit card. A company called FICO creates what it calls a FICO score. It is based 35% on payment history, 30% on amount owed, 15% on length of credit history, 10% on new credit, and 10% on types of credit used. The importance of any factor is measured against the others. FICO scores range from 300 to 850, with 850 being the highest and best score possible. 90 of the top 100 U.S. financial institutions use the FICO score for credit decisions. Know your credit score and protect it by making wise financial decisions. We can help. Give us a call today.